happen all the time.
Society. That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.
It is about 11 a.m. I had a long day yesterday. I went to work at 8:30 in the morning, did not get home till almost 9 o'clock at night. It was a long day, so I decided I was gonna let myself sleep in a little bit today. There's a few things that have to get done, but it's not super busy today. I just need to clean up my room a little bit. I feel like I'm always cleaning my room in my vlog, but I just like to have my area clean because then I feel like everything's in its place and my life just feels organized if my room's organized. I don't know. But that's one of the first things that has to be done. Then I have to edit a video so I can post that. And I think that's about it. I think I have to find a scholarship, but most scholarships by now are kind of through with. I may find a few, but I don't think I'm gonna find as much as I was finding before, which is okay. So here's my room. It's not a disaster, it's just not up to my standings. Like all of this here and a folded towel just on my table, and like all this little stuff needs to be put back to where it's supposed to be. That is full of trash. I haven't even taken it down yet, which is disgusting. I started using this Taco Bell bag from this weekend when I went to Taco Bell, and it's gross.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Guys, so things have been changing up a little bit. This mirror right here, gorgeous. Look at it. I love it. My mom got two of these mirrors. One was originally for my sister and one was going in her bathroom to replace the big mirror in front of the sinks, and my sister didn't want it, so it's mine and I love it. But the bottom area looks a little weird because I don't have carpet or anything in here. So what I'm going to do is take this and move it away from the bed underneath the mirror. This little spot right here, I want to get some yellowish artwork, almost like the blue one I have next to it, but with a little bit of yellow and gold to match my flowers that I have going on right here, because I like yellow also, and I feel like my room is just all blue, and I kind of want to bring in some other colors, which is why I also moved the blanket to the bed. It's not exactly yellow, it's more of a cream, but when the light hits it just right, it matches those yellow flowers. So I just need to find something that I can put on the wall there. It may even have to just be like some contact paper that I put in a frame or something. But yeah, so we're gonna get to moving those lights, and then everything will be cozy, and then I can finally start editing because I have been distracted with this mirror, and it's, oh, I love it so much. Guys, room is all done. I moved my basket over here. I decided to hang up these little hearts that I got from my coworkers at work here. It's literally just dental floss on a thumbtack. But there's my desk all cleaned up. And I decided to put the lights around the mirror just because it looks so cute. And Lily's loving it. Marshall's upset because I took something away from him that he wasn't supposed to have. I love the flowers being there. It just gives so much brightness to this corner. And I finally got batteries in my other lights, so not missing the lights above the bed. Really, the only thing that's missing now is something to go on this wall. But we shall get there eventually. But now it's time for me to sit down and edit some videos. These dogs are all in my stuff, so I'm like looking back and forth.
Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Exporting the video now, should be up pretty soon. I've already got the thumbnail. It's looking pretty nice. So yeah, if you're watching this one and you haven't watched my last video, please go watch it. It's about 1 o'clock now, so I'm going to quickly look up some scholarships, see what I can find, see what I can apply for right now. And if there's something that needs an essay, go ahead and get started on like a rough draft, figuring out how I want to answer the questions so I can come back tomorrow or later tonight when I get off work and get that put in. You guys, After is on Netflix. So is the 1D, This Is Us. I'm so happy. Like, my middle school self is living right now. You guys, whenever I make potatoes and they like scream like that, it worries me so much, but I know it's just them cooking. Guys, it looks so yummy. I'm so excited. Ugh, this just makes my afternoon when I don't have to cook and all I have to do is heat everything up. Fantastic. Alright guys, I finished eating my lunch. Now it's time to put away these dishes so I can wash all my dishes from this morning and the kitchen will be all nice and clean.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
My room is clean, the kitchen is clean, I edited my video, I found some scholarships. It's awesome, and I have 30 minutes to spare and do whatever I want. So, I'm really just gonna go sit in my bed, finish watching This Is Us, and then head off to work. So, I will see you guys when I get back. Okay, you guys, so I am home. I haven't showered yet just because we were all getting out at the same time. It started raining and there's a lot of lightning. So a lot of people were getting out, taking their kids home. So we all got out of the water. Everyone was showering at the same time. I was like, I live 10 minutes away. I'm just gonna come home, shower at home. But first, I have to take care of my attendance. And then I also like to make notes of what the students have to work on afterwards. That way the next week I can write it down on my sign, be like, oh, so-and-so needs to work on how they kick. So-and-so needs to work on having straight arms during their backstroke. Different things like that. Now, after doing that, I'm like super hungry. My stomach is growling at me. So I'm gonna go get some food. My mom made chicken, rice from this morning that I had, and some green beans. So, sounds like a great meal to me. And then after I eat, I'm just gonna shower and head off to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life. Pretty much what I do all the time. I clean my room, I make sure it looks nice so when I come home it's pleasing to walk into, and I eat. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!